One of the coolest parts about being a YouTuber is that you could live literally anywhere in the world that you want. All you need is a camera, a decent internet connection, and a computer, and you can do your job. You can reach viewers all around the world from anywhere. I wondered though, are there certain cities that are just super attractive to a lot of YouTubers? Where do all the popular YouTubers live? To find out, I used a Python script to scrape socialblade.com and find out where the top 500 most subscribed YouTubers live. The way I did it was finding what they listed as their location on Twitter. Of course, not every channel lists a location, but it did give me a good number of data points. I had about 200. Now, if you want to learn how to scrape the web with Python, I'll have a video coming out on it soon. So if you see a card up here, go check it out. With that being said, what are the top 5 cities where the popular YouTubers are living? Coming in at number 5, we have Mexico. Okay, now I know, Mexico is a country, but one weird thing about Mexican YouTubers is that they didn't seem to list themselves as being from a particular city. Like seriously, these guys just list themselves as being from Mexico. But it's without a doubt that Mexican YouTubers have a good amount of influence on the site, and it's no surprise given how many Spanish speakers there are in the world. Mexico is home to YouTubers such as Luis Tori with 9 million subs, Los Polinesios with 18 million subs, and Badabun with 38 million subs. As you can tell, I don't speak Spanish. Number 4. São Paulo. Brazil's largest city with a population of over 21 million in its metro area, São Paulo represents big on YouTube. In addition to YouTubers that specify themselves as being in São Paulo, there are many that simply identify as being from Brazil that could also live in the area. São Paulo is home to YouTubers such as Cano Conzilla with 48 million subscribers, Danny Russo TV with 11 million subscribers, and Manuel Domundo with 12 million subscribers. Number 3. New York. New York is the largest city in the US, so it's only natural that it would make sense to appear in this list given the dominance of American YouTube. One interesting thing about New York YouTubers is that a lot of the content originating out of this area revolves around New York itself and the viewers' interest in the city. Can you imagine if Casey Neistat didn't live in New York? His videos would look pretty different. There certainly wouldn't be any snowboarding with the NYPD. New York is home to YouTubers such as Casey Neistat with 11 million subscribers, TEDx Talks with 18 million subscribers, and BuzzFeed with 18 million subscribers. Number 2. Mumbai. India's population is rapidly coming online, and Bollywood is seeing massive growth on YouTube. As more and more of the population continues to come online, it's no doubt that Bollywood channels originating from Mumbai will continue to gain popularity on the site. Mumbai is home to channels such as T-Series with 94 million subscribers, ZTV with 26 million subscribers, and Tips Official with 18 million subscribers. T-Series has recently surpassed PewDiePie to be the most subscribed channel on YouTube. And while this seems to have been met with some controversy from Western viewers due to certain actions from T-Series, it's only logical that T-Series and other Bollywood channels will continue to grow. Congratulations, T-Series, on your success. Number 1. Los Angeles. While New York may be America's largest city, Los Angeles is without a doubt the world's entertainment capital. And YouTube is not any exception to this rule. Whether originally from the area or not, YouTubers love LA. And furthermore, the influence of mainstream media on YouTube in recent years definitely makes Hollywood's influence on the site even more evident. LA is home to YouTubers such as Jeffree Star with 14 million subscribers, Hola Soy German with 38 million subscribers, and Vsauce with 14 million subscribers. In addition to the cities I already mentioned, I would like to give an honorable mention to 2 cities, Miami, Florida, and London, UK. These cities came very close to making it in the list. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the list. Once again, if you do want to learn how to scrape the web with Python, I will have a video on it very soon, so be sure to check that out if you want to do experiments like this yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if there was a city that you didn't expect to appear on the list. The one that was really shocking for me was São Paulo. I did not realize how big Brazil was. Mumbai is not really a big surprise. We know India is a big country, and we know that they're rapidly gaining internet access, so it's not really a big surprise there. Mexico, again, not a big surprise. We know there's lots of Spanish speakers, but with Brazil speaking Portuguese, I honestly didn't even realize how big of a country Brazil is, and the fact that São Paulo is home to so many just humongous YouTubers is actually pretty crazy. So let me know if there was a city that surprised you guys. If you guys do want to see more content like this on the channel, please let me know. I know it's a little bit different than my usual style. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.